Hey guys, it's me Stace and my husband Nick today in the kitchen, and we are making these no-bake chocolate peanut butter bars. I'm going to tell him what to do and he's going to do it. You ready, hon?
Sure.
Alright, first off we have an 8x8 pan that we line with foil. In a mixing bowl he's going to mix in the melted butter, and there's a half a cup of melted butter. And then to that he's going to add in the graham cracker crumbs. That was 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs. And then he's going to add in the powdered sugar, which was 1 cup of powdered sugar. And just mix that up until it's combined. And he's going to add in the peanut butter. You can put the peanut butter in now if you want to, honey. That way it'll help mix it all together maybe.
Choosy mothers, choose Jeff.
That's all we buy. And I'm going to put it in that pan when it's mixed together. Now while he's doing that, in this bowl I have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And I also added in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt because the salt we used was unsalted. You got to take the knife, honey, and grab that. I can't do it with one hand. And we're going to microwave that until it's melted, about 30 seconds. Okay. So pop that in there for 30 seconds. Getting there. That means you've got to set up in the fridge for about 3 hours until the chocolate is set. Then you want to sit at room temperature for 10 minutes before cutting. Alright, you can pop that in there, honey. Let me check on the peanut butter. So I'm going to do this in like 30-second intervals for the chocolate. I guess the graham cracker crumb is going to give it that that
gritty feel.
Yeah. I want to stir these. Probably another 30 seconds or so. Okay, back in. Just keep an eye on them. I like that it makes a small pan, not a whole lot, you know. But it's chocolate and the peanut butter, so I was alright. It's not going to last too long. Alright, this should be good. Stir this, honey. I'm going to stir that and then pour it on top of that mixture there. Then we'll come back in 3 hours. Looks good to me. What were you going to say?
Is it going to be enough?
Yeah, it has to be enough. It only has like a thin layer of chocolate on top. Yeah, it'll be enough. You want a rubber thing to get the rest of that out?
Sure.
It says to store it 5 to 7 days in the fridge, serve it chilled, and then bars can be frozen for up to 2 months.
Chocolate and peanut butter, 2 months.
It won't last a weekend. Simple to make though, huh? Only a few ingredients. Alright guys, we're going to let it go in the fridge for 3 hours, come back, and hubby's going to taste it and see how he did. See you soon. Alrighty, here's the moment of truth. Let me get your knife.
Should I take it out?
I don't know. You can try. Take it out. What are you getting?
Cutting board?
Okay. Moment of truth, Miss Diana. It didn't say to spray it or anything. I think you probably should have.
Did they say to use aluminum foil?
Yeah. And she used a pizza cutter to cut it.
No chocolate for the puppies.
No pizza cutter?
Hit the pause.
Oh, it's cold. They said let it sit for 10 minutes? They said let it sit.
There it goes.
Want to use a knife? Want to use a knife? Right here. Are they snack size servings, honey?
Mm-hmm. Finger food. Okay, you want a slice?
Taste one. They look good. They're already melty. You like them?
Very good.
They taste like a Reese's peanut butter cup?
Mm-hmm.
Well, they are good, aren't they? So they'll make again one?
Sure. Put them away now.
Alright, hubby approved. Now we're good. No ma'am.
No chocolate for you.
Here comes the other one. You gotta tell her or no?
No
No
chocolate
ma'am.
for you.